I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select NEX Forms as a trigger. Choose a form. Click the Fetch button, go to your form page, fill out the form, and submit it. The data has been successfully retrieved. Set action. Search and select MailMint. Connect. Next. Choose Actions. Select a list. Select tags. Select subscription status. Map the respective fields. You can update contact by checking the box. Here are advanced features in Conditional Logic. If you want, you can use it for your own requirement. Click on Next. Finish and save it. Please go to your form, complete it, and submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now go to MailMint Contact Dashboard. And you can see the data came successfully in the MailMint. Thanks for watching.